Think you need protein powder for a high-protein breakfast? Think again. There are so many delicious natural ways to load up on protein without that chalky aftertaste. In this video, we're showing you 5 delicious high-protein breakfasts that are easy to make, taste amazing, and don't require a single scoop of protein powder. And stick around till the end because we'll reveal a super underrated secret ingredient that's packed with protein and works in almost any meal. Let's get into it. Eggs are already a protein powerhouse, but we're supercharging them by adding cottage cheese. Not only does it make your eggs extra creamy, but it also sneaks in an extra 10+ grams of protein per serving. To make this even better, I'm adding some crispy turkey bacon for a savory crunch and an extra protein boost. Regular bacon works too, but turkey bacon has more protein and less fat. And here's the secret: throw in some fresh spinach at the last minute. It wilts down quickly and adds vitamins, fiber, and a bit more protein. Top it with black pepper and chili flakes for flavor. Boom! 30 grams of protein in minutes. Greek yogurt is one of the best protein sources out there. A single cup packs 15 to 20 grams of protein, which is almost as much as 3 eggs. But let's make it even better. First, we're adding some almonds for crunch, chia seeds for extra protein and fiber, and blueberries for natural sweetness and antioxidants. And for that little touch of indulgence, a drizzle of honey or peanut butter takes it to another level. This is creamy, crunchy, slightly sweet, and keeps you full for hours. Plus, it's totally customizable. Swap almonds for walnuts, use coconut flakes, or even mix in granola for a different texture. We all love avocado toast, but let's turn this trendy breakfast into a muscle-building meal with eggs and smoked salmon. This one's packed with healthy fats, fiber, and over 25 grams of protein. Start with a slice of whole grain or sourdough bread. Smash up half an avocado, season it with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon for extra flavor. Now here's the magic. Add a fried egg for protein and that delicious runny yolk, or go fancy with poached eggs if you want to impress someone. Then smoked salmon. It's rich in protein and omega-3s, which are great for your skin, brain, and muscles. A little sprinkle of sesame seeds or red pepper flakes, and this toast is next level. Looks fancy, tastes amazing, and fuels your body the right way. Who says pancakes have to be carb-heavy? These fluffy protein pancakes have 0 protein powder, but are loaded with natural protein from eggs, oats, and cottage cheese. Here's how to make them. Blend half a cup of oats, 2 eggs, half a cup of cottage cheese, and 1 banana. That's it. This mix is packed with protein, fiber, and slow-digesting carbs, so it'll keep you full for hours. Cook them on low heat until golden brown. Stack them up, drizzle some Greek yogurt and berries on top, and you've got a delicious protein-packed breakfast that tastes like a treat but fuels your body like a pro. Okay, I saved the best for last. This high-protein breakfast quesadilla is crispy, cheesy, and loaded with over 40 grams of protein. Here's how to make it. Start with 1 whole wheat tortilla and spread 1/4 cup of cottage cheese on 1/2. Next, scramble 3 eggs with some diced turkey or chicken breast. Now, sprinkle a little shredded cheese for that gooey melt, fold the tortilla in half, and toast it in a pan until golden brown and crispy. Slice it up and serve with Greek yogurt, salsa, or avocado. This thing is crispy, cheesy, protein-packed, and so good. Alright, you made it to the end, so here's my secret ingredient: lentils. Yep, these little guys are packed with 9 grams of protein per half cup and can be added to omelets, pancakes, even smoothies without changing the taste. Which of these recipes are you trying first? Drop a comment below, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a high-protein meal idea.